Hey everyone, Charlene Bauer, Ladies Off Our Network. We are live at 5 and a couple minutes late. Sorry about that, but we got so caught up in tire size and tire dimensions and tire ratings and all kinds of tire talk on our 4 o'clock call. If you guys are not joining us for those 4 o'clock opportunities, please do. It's so rad. It's so much fun. You can ask any question that you want, and then of course I do a 15-minute lesson, which is free to everybody. You don't have to be a member. You don't have to be part of Ladies Off Our Network. You don't have to do anything. You just got to join us. You just got to come and chat and say hi and hang out and learn cool things and do rad stuff, right? Which is what Ladies Off Our Network is all about. So tonight, I'm in the Beeve, and this is where we're going to be this summer. Oh my gosh, I've been working so hard on this. 2022 has created its own set of interesting challenges, of course. It couldn't be easy, could it? No. Everybody send a heart. Please send a heart for all of the people that are trying to run a business from 2020 to now, because it is a challenge and a half. Just when you think you get somewhere, then you get smashed. And let's reorganize everything. And then you think you get somewhere, and smack! There goes another train. So I'm very excited to talk about tonight our upcoming tour. Yay! I know, smiley faces, oh faces, whatever. Just pick a face, whichever face you think is appropriate. Hopefully not the frowny face. But May, right now, it is our topless May month. And by topless, ladies, I don't think I need to put this, but just in case, that means your Jeep. Yes, your Jeep. So, or Toyota, or whatever you want to take the top off of and enjoy the sun or the rain or whatever it is in your part of the world right now. So, topless vehicles, you have until tomorrow night to get those into our Facebook feed. I've already seen some that are great. I love it. Or email them, ladiesoffournetwork@gmail.com. We'll turn them into the coloring calendar for May and have a great time with that. So you still have time. Get it in. You got until tomorrow night. Do it to it. Last week we talked about the convention and the themes. So Thursday is the Trail and Trash Awards and will be our Adventure Seeker theme. Friday is the Challenge Awards and it's the Let's Sparkle theme, which is going to be just dramatic. And then Saturday is our Gala and Awards. That's our lifetime members, our leadership, and a series of new awards that we're working on. And that will be Gala Gone Wrong. So, like that old bridesmaid's dress, prom dress, tux from hell, whatever. It's going to be an interesting sight for sore eyes, for sure. If you have not committed to coming to the convention yet, make sure that you do. It's something not to be missed. It's a great time. It's an exciting time. You get to meet so many people that are just like you. Laugh, have fun, and learn a lot. And Oil always comes to say hi. And then he doesn't even want to look at you. How rude, huh? He just wants his pets. But the big news tonight, drum rolls, come on. I need some help with this one, ladies. This has been something that has just been on the list since December when we talked about it. Then it got taken off the list, and then it went back on the list, and then it got taken off the list, and it is back on the list and approved to the point where I'm like, all right, here we go. We are going out. I'm coming to see you. Now, I'm going to preface this a little bit. You guys love it when I do this, like, oh, drum roll, please, and then I'm not going to tell you what's happening yet. I'm going to preface this a little bit. It's only going to be 7 locations. It's only going to be 7 locations. Remember, I did 75 locations in 2019. It's only going to be 7 locations. It's not going to be every single corner of the United States. I'm not going to be within a half an hour of your house. I'm sorry, but that's all I have for time. We have some rad stuff going on. But here's what I am going to do. I'm going to make it a 2-day experience. So we have a Tread Lightly Tread Trainer certification course and a 10-hour Ladies Off Our Network trail training class. So it is not our 5-hour class. It's not like our half day smash, let's go. It's a 10-hour smash, smash. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Right? So I'm doubling down in both ways. I'm doubling down on the class time for Ladies Off-Road Network, and I'm doubling down on what opportunities you have to be successful. Now, next topic of information is I'm trying to do 2 locations in a weekend. This makes it a little challenging, right? Because Charlene is crazy and she loves to drive in the middle of the night for some odd reason, multiple hours, and not sleep and then do it all over again because that's what we do best. So the way that this is going to work is there's going to be 2 days in a particular location, but the Tread Lightly Tread Trainer class is going to be on a Friday, and then our Ladies Off-Road Network class will be on a Saturday. And then my team and I are going to move locations on Saturday night. And then on Sunday, we're going to do a new location of the Ladies Off-Road class. And on Monday will be our Tread Lightly Tread Trainer class. Yes, Fridays and Mondays. Yes, it's not going to be a half an hour away from your house. Maybe. If it is, woohoo, you have no excuses. So I'm asking you to invest in me as much as I'm investing in you. I may be 3-4 hours away from you. It may not be the localest thing in the world. You do not need a vehicle. Load up your friends, grab a hotel room, which I will work with you on getting, and come and hang out for the 2 days. Invest in the Tread Lightly Tread Trainer class. Invest in your Ladies Off-Road Network trail training class. I know it's so close in names. I'm going to tongue tie that really bad one day. And then go home. So you come in Thursday night, you leave on Sunday morning. Or our other way around, you come in on Saturday and you leave on Monday nights. All right. So I'm trying to make it as successful for you as possible, with hopefully only taking a day off of work, and making it happen. Also, the other good part to this is I'm going to be hanging out overnight, right? So on Friday night, we have a hangout, and on Sunday night, we have a hangout, depending on which group, which area you are deciding to come to. There's some where you might say, oh, well, I could go here or I could go there, and then that's on you if you want to come for a Friday, Saturday, or if you want to come for a Sunday, Monday. Also understand you don't have to do both. If you just want to do the Tread Lightly class, that's great. If you just want to do the Ladies Off-Road Network class, it's great. They're independent. So lots of options, lots of visibles here, lots of reasoning behind why I'm about ready to tell you what I'm going to tell you, but I want you to see the big picture first. So you're probably going to have to drive. You're probably going to have to get a hotel room. You're probably going to have to find a friend. And why not? Bring 4 or 5 friends from your area, throw them into a little car, get some gas, and go to the hotel and come and hang out with me for the weekends or for the 2 days. The other thing I'm going to tell you is I'm not upping my prices. Fuel is expensive right now. I'm not going to lie, right? But I'm going to do something for you. I'm not going to up my prices. I want you to put that money into your fuel tank. I'm not putting it into mine. So I'm going to deal with it. I'm going to figure it out. I'm going to make it happen just like I always do. And you are also going to figure it out, and you're going to make it happen just like you always do. I'm not going to say, hey, because of fuel prices, I have to up our prices, da-da-da. Nope. That money, that $10, that $20 that I would have upped it, you're going to put in your fuel tank, and you're going to get to this class. Copy that? Mm-hmm. All right. They're also hub cities. So if you are a flight person and you see that you can't make it to something, fly in. Why not? Like, this is a pretty unique opportunity. So the big news, 2022, the tour is on, but it's only 7 stops, very limited in nature. Friday and Monday will be Tread Lightly Tread Trainer classes. It's an 8-hour certification class that you will receive. It's a fun class. If anybody's done it on here, you're like, I've taken it, do it for sure. I try and keep it fun, entertaining, etc. That will not be limited to Ladies Off-Road Network. There will be guys in that class. We will be local marketing that class. Very important, as many people as possible that we can get into that group as possible is the goal. Saturday and Sunday is our Ladies Off-Road Tread trail training class. It's our 10-hour class that I will travel. You will learn everything. Oh my gosh. What do we learn in that class? So we learn everything to do with all of the tooling that you possibly want for recovery, how to use it, why to use it, when you use it, hands-on opportunities of using it, how to winch, how to high lift, how to change a tire, how to air down, how to air up, like 12 other things in the middle there. A lot. A lot. There's a lot. So that is our 10 hours. 10 hours. Like, and anybody that comes to one of my classes, and anybody that comes, just say, 10 hours means 10 hours straight. Like, yes, I will feed you. Yes, I feed you. Yes, you get a nice lunch. Yes, you have snacks. Yes, we have drinks. Yes to all those things. And I will make sure to fuel your brain. And yes, you're encouraged to bring gummy bears or Swedish fish or whatever kind of sugar you need in order to keep up with me. And yes, I don't always talk this fast, but I do talk fast because I want you to learn everything you possibly can from me. And then we have the evening hangouts, right? So Friday night, Sunday night, hangout, casual. You can ask me any question you want. We can dig into something. We can just hang out and chit chat. And literally, when I say you can ask any question you want, I'm pretty open, especially in those types of environments. So each location will have its different scene. We may go somewhere. We may hang out in the parking lot. We just don't know. Every single thing will have its opportunity, and I'll tell you more detail in a couple of weeks for sure. So you are getting the Summer of Fun list right now. The absolute detail, the registration, the when, the where, the exact location, the exact everything will come out in a couple weeks. Like, don't ask for it today. I'm telling you general location, but I am telling you the specific date, so you can start planning, get it on your calendar, and then you can register and get ready to go. Here's how it's going to go down. So June 24th and 25th, that's a Friday, Saturday. That will be in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So June 24th, 25th, Dallas-Fort Worth area. June 26th, 27th is going to be in Oklahoma City area. June 8th, 9th. Okay, so that's June 26th, 27th, the Sunday, Monday, right? So that's our Oklahoma City area. Now we go to a couple weeks later because we have July 4th in there. So July 8th, 9th, that's a Friday, Saturday, will be in the Atlanta area. July 10, 11, it's a Sunday, Monday, will be in the Charlotte area. July 15, 16 is a Friday, Saturday, and that will be in the Cleveland area. July 17, 18 is a Sunday, Monday. We will be in the Chicago area. And then July 23rd, 24th, which is a Saturday, Sunday, we will be in the Reno area. So the reason that becomes a Saturday, Sunday is because I'm hauling from the east all the way to the west. And then we'll do that Saturday, Sunday. Monday, I need to regroup, and Tuesday, we go on the Rubicon. Yes, I know, it's so exciting. So, I recognize as we go through those 7 locations, and 4 Wheel Parts is again our partnership on this, and Tread Lightly is a partner with us as well. We'll have many partners that will be a part of this tour, but we will be at 4 Wheel Parts again. And then Tread Lightly, we will be working their organization as well. So, you're going to have to join me somehow. I know I'm not necessarily coming to where you are, but I need you to put a little bit of effort in and come, because I'm coming a little bit closer than Phoenix. How about that as the plan? The BeVer is going to be on the move. I'm going to have some rad girls on board. We're going to make some rad memories, making this thing happen, just like always. Oh my goodness. Let me tell you, there is no lack of chaos when we are out on tour. This is a 6-week get out. It is going to be get out and go, 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 go. We have some midweek opportunities in there as well that are just like on the chaos as well for my team that we have to execute. But yeah, so Dallas Fort Worth, June 24, 25, Oklahoma City, June 26, 27. Then we'll move to Atlanta for July 8, 9, and Charlotte for July 10, 11. Then we'll move to Cleveland, July 15, 16, and Chicago, July 17, 18, and then back across to Reno, July 23rd, 24th. So my East Coast friends, I hope that gives you something to shoot for. Gives you something that you can come and join us for. My West Coast friends, I hope Reno makes it a little bit easier for you to get to than Phoenix. I know it's still a drive. I know it's still a hub city, but we can definitely make that work. And I did it as a Saturday, Sunday for all my West Coast friends. So you can come in on Friday, and our Tread Lightly Tread Trainer class ends about 5, 6 o'clock. So your travel time afterwards, you're on the gas on the way out. So yeah, I know. Which one are you coming to? Which one are you coming to? Awesome. And then right after that, we have Reno, and then we have the Jeepers Jamboree. So my team that's going to go out on the Jeepers Jamboree with me will be locking all that into play. And then we're all going to like hustle back to Phoenix. At least I'm going to hustle back to Phoenix. I got 2 days to get back to Phoenix, and I got to get on the gas for Wilderness First Aid and the convention, which will happen about 3 weeks later at Wilderness First Aid is August 14 to 16 in Arizona, and the convention is August 18 to 22nd. It is just continuing to build. I've had some great phone calls, some exciting things happening. Very excited about this year's convention. And then we have our 5-day skills camps. 5-day skills camps are going to become very important for you to participate in things in the upcoming season. So next year we're going to have some VIP opportunities as well, but now you're going to have to attend a skills camp in order to be a part of those. October 12 to 16 and October 19 to 23 in Arizona will be the 2 skills camps this year. I will not be adding any more. We will be having those, and they will be excellent, and you will have a blast. So you either need to commit to flying in and being a passenger or driving in and having a vehicle. Either one will work out great. You will have an exceptional time either way. At our 1-day camp, our 1-day trail training camp that we take out on the road, absolutely no vehicle is necessary. We do everything in the parking lot of a 4 Parts parking lot. We use my vehicle for the vehicle that we need, and so you do not need one. You can drive your little car, be intelligent with your fuel mileage. I am down with that. Like, be smart, ladies. Be smart. You got nothing to prove. I'd love to see your off-road vehicle, of course, but I'd rather see it in Arizona on a trail with me while we're doing those skills camps. So lots of opportunity for you to be successful hands-on in June, July, August, and October. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. The registration, the details, everything will be coming out in the next week or so. I'm working with 4 Parts on locking and loading, so do not call your local 4 Parts at this moment until you see it registered. We are getting it all together. Everything goes through me here, but you got the sneak peek because that's the way I roll. I want you to get on your calendar right now. Right now. All right. You coming? Yay! That's what I thought. Topless vehicles. You got till tomorrow night. Get us your pictures. Get it on Facebook or email it to ladiesoffroadnetwork@gmail.com. We will then, Thursday and Friday, be voting for them. And by the end of the weekend, I will have your coloring page ready for you to color. I want to see more coloring pages. I'm actually sincerely disappointed that I don't have more coloring pages posted on our group page. Just going to point that out. All right, y'all. Have a great rest of your Tuesday. I'm super proud of you, and I cannot wait to see you across the country this year. Tour 2022, it's on the gas.